again. Oh fuck. Forgot this other jerk bait I got up in my car. I was gonna try that one. It was like a white one.
Oh. I was tricking my spool the other day. I go use the spool line, it comes off a little tangly all the time.
Yeah.
Take the spool off, run under hot tap water for like 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, that's a. I seen that. He's
Yeah,
running.
I tell you what works. Just try it now.
Oh, you.
See if full curl comes off real nice and straight now. It takes the memory out of the line.
Oh, nice. I don't know if that would work for a braided line or not.
I think that's for monofilament.
It'd be nice for braided. I don't have to get knots up. Then I cut it off. Whoop. In the fucking tree almost. That's how I caught that tree over there. I thought I was gonna lose it, so I just ripped it and freaking got it. Ooh. Nope. I don't know, it was weeds. That stick.
Stick fish.
No carp yet or pickerel.
Give them time, they'll work on it.
If I get some carp, going down to the carp pool. Got something. Perch. Yeah. Must be cold and they're not moving. Well, your old carp. Had one on. Yeah. Something got into the things over here. There's one. Not sure. Big old perch. Look at that. Pretty big one. It's pretty fat too.
Yeah, he is.
Thought I had one on with a stick again. Fucking sticks. Oh, there we go, John. I don't know. Oh.
Another carp.
Might be. Can't really see. I saw the fin of it. Yep, carp.
You have it?
I don't know. Oh, it's right in the head too. Oh, he's a tank. Yeah, it's a pretty good size one. I'm hooked around his fin and it's in his head. So I don't know where the line's at on his fin there. Oh, it's fixed that now.
We got the other day. They're laying here still.
Yeah. Look at that. He's pretty good size. Let me see if I can keep him out from that thing there. There we go. He's pretty good size. Let's watch that lure don't come back and... Ooh, crap, this guy's pretty good fighting. Look at that. There we go. Right there by the eye, isn't it?
Pretty close.
Let's see if we can... Don't get hooked up by him.
Hook's coming out now.
Alright, he'll just pull off himself. So, oh, what the fuck?
He's hooked again.
This guy doesn't want to give up. There you go, swim over to John. Oh shit. How much do you think he weighs?
I don't know.
Get him out and get a picture of him if we can. There we go. He's up. Okay. Oh, that's a tank.
I see hooks in there good.
He almost, like he bit it almost.
Oh, you tried to hit it, didn't he, in his mouth?
Maybe. Alright, so we get a pic of him. Come on, buddy. Pretty good. It's pretty good.
I get a picture, but I can't send it until I get home. Until I get home.
No, that's alright.
Okay.
Alrighty.
It weighs about what, 15 pounds?
Yeah, it's pretty. It's got some weight. I'll throw him back. Throw him back here. Ain't gonna get nowhere. Well, let's see.
They might be floating in that water for some reason.
Must be.
They have to be.
Too many of them. We're gonna kill everything else in here. First, I thought it was a trout. Yeah. Big trout coming up, but nope, the old carp. The old stick fish. Holy fuck. Come on. Good thing about this line, it doesn't break too easily.
Good thing, huh?